Okay, this is the first tool that for electrical that I find very, very useful and necessary to have. These are, I think this was around $25, $25, and it's just worth its weight in gold. Now, if you have your typical house wiring, this one here is 14 2 wire, and this will also work with 12 2 wire. So the 12 2 is a thicker wire than the 14 2, but we'll just demonstrate the 14 2. Now the 14 2 you can put the wire on this part right here where the 14 2 area is. See, like that there, or you can put it here for the 12 2. So when I put it here for the 14 2, then I can just pinch the wire, so I'm pinching it, and then I just wiggle this back and forth. I don't have to wiggle it back and forth very much. Then I put the tool down, and then I just take the rest of it here by hand and just pull it apart. And see that it just comes off. So, and then there's no cuts into the wire in here. So, you know, when you use those razor blade knives and that sort of stuff, you're always in danger of cutting your wire. Now, once you've got your wire cut, then there's two notches. So there's a notch here for your 14, a notch here for your 12. There's another small stripper here for your 14, and then this one over here is for your 12. So when you put this guy here in the 14, and then I'm closing the pliers, just twist back and forth a little bit, and then I always like to say I pretty much always pull the insulation off by finger. You can pull it off with the pliers. You know, I could go like this and go back and forth, and then pull it off with the pliers. But that leaves a little pinch on it in here, so I prefer to just pull it off by hand. But anyways, that's what this tool is for, is to go in here, and when you have it also it will cut, so you can cut the wire like that. So it has cutters built into it, and then you can go ahead and take off the sheathing. Spread them apart here, and then you can go ahead and strip that end and strip this end. See, and I find that when I'm going to strip the wire, instead of clamping down and then trying to pull, you know, trying to pull like that, I like to move. I move these guys back and forth, and that actually cuts the wire, and then it just comes apart easily. So just clamping down one time and holding on and trying. So just clamping and pulling is doesn't work very well. You have to clamp, go back and forth with it, and then pull it out.